Trinity. The word Trinity is a term used in Christian theology to refer to the concept of God being three persons in one: the Father, the Son, Jesus Christ, and the Holy Spirit. It is a fundamental belief in Christianity that God exists as a Trinity. The word Trinity itself comes from the Latin word trinitas, which means threefoldness, or the state of being three. It is an attempt to describe the nature of God as a complex unity of three distinct persons. In Christianity, the Trinity is often depicted as a triangle or three interlocking circles to represent the three persons of God. Each person of the Trinity is considered fully God, but they are not three separate gods. They are one God in three persons. Here are some examples of how the word Trinity is used in sentences. 1. The doctrine of the Trinity teaches that God is Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. 2. Christians believe in the concept of the Trinity, which sets them apart from other monotheistic religions. 3. The symbol of the Trinity is often depicted as three interlocking circles. 4. The Trinity is a mystery that is difficult for humans to fully comprehend. 5. The Trinity is a central belief in Christianity and is mentioned in the Nicene Creed. It's important to note that the concept of the Trinity is specific to Christian theology and may not be relevant or understood in other religious or cultural contexts.